The French Manhattan is, well, just a French take on a Manhattan. It came out of the book, what's it called? Drinking French, but who the fuck wrote it? Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Hold on, all right? Hold on. By David Leibovitz. Is he a chef?
Sounds familiar.
David Leibovitz? Yeah, it seems like he's a chef. Hold on, let's just look up David Leibovitz real quick. A French Manhattan is, well, a French Manhattan because it uses some French ingredients, although I did, for the first time in the life of this channel, we are out of Dolin vermouth, and so we have to use the Italian sweet vermouth instead. My apologies, I would use Dolin because that was my go-to for many, many years. I like the Coqui as well. It'd be nice to use a French vermouth in this video, but sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches. They're both gonna be very good in this cocktail. The cocktail recipe comes out of a book by David Leibovitz called Drinking French. David Leibovitz was a cook and a baker for most of his career. He worked at Chez Panisse for 13 years in Berkeley, and then left in 1999 to write books about French food and France. This is a book that has both French food and French-inspired cocktails. All right, let's do it. So first thing we're gonna do is 1 dash of Angostura bitters.
Does it call for Angostura specifically? It calls for Angostura specifically?
Yes, it does. Why?
No.
1/4 ounce of Grand Marnier.
I heard that this standard bitters company is pretty good.
Oh yeah, it is pretty good. But it called for Angostura in the recipe, not traditional bitters or aromatic bitters or anything, so. Had it called for aromatic bitters, I would have used the standard company because it is fantastic bitters. Fantastic. 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth. And 1.5 ounces of cognac. Crack some ice. Crack a little more, make a big mess. It's all right, it's gonna be worth it in the end. Give it a stir. A little Luxardo here. I like to put it on the side like that so that we get rid of the syrup and you don't get too much in your drink. And we're just gonna plop that down in there. Where did I put it? Oh, I'm like looking around for it. I already put it in the damn glass.
Okay, Mr. Magoo.
Apparently that's not too far from the truth. All right, French Manhattan, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I think that the extra 1/2 ounce of vermouth and then lowering the cognac 1/2 ounce really makes the vermouth very prevalent. You've got the cognac in there for like flavor, but also for body. And then you have all those botanicals, but then you also have that like almost citric bite. It is like that tart bite that good vermouth has. You combine that together with little Angostura bitters, and then you have the oranginess of the Grand Marnier playing in the background. What's nice about that Grand Marnier is that it's also made with cognac. A selection of orange peels macerated into cognac, so it all just plays really nicely together. It's a very nice drink. I would have a couple of these, I think. I like it. And you know what? It's, decidedly different from what a Manhattan would normally be. There it is, guys, the French Manhattan.